Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Inguinal Canal in a way that is very easy for you to memorize. The first question is, what is an inguinal canal? So basically it's an oblique passage in the groin area which starts at the deep inguinal ring, which then runs downward and forward and ends at the superficial inguinal ring. Next I will show you where it is located, its boundaries and its contents. Here is a very simplified diagram of layers of the abdominal muscles. From inwards, inside to outside, the first is transverse salus fascia. Here the black line showing the transverse salus fascia. Then are the thigh muscles, transversus abdominis muscle, internal oblique muscle, and the external oblique muscle. Look how they are going downward and forward from lateral to the medial side in the middle, ending in the middle, and the external oblique muscles how it is terminating earlier than the other two muscles. These three muscles they ends in aponeurosis. Here it's shown in the black line, and which then blends together to form the conjoint tendon in the middle. Now let's see where the rings are located. First is the deep inguinal ring. It is an oval opening in the transversalis fascia. And the superficial inguinal ring, it's an exit point in the aponeurosis of the external oblique muscle. Look, it's the external oblique muscle and it's the aponeurosis of the external oblique muscle. So it's an exit point in its aponeurosis. Then look at the boundaries of the inguinal canal. So the mnemonic is MALT, and there are four boundaries: the roof, interior wall, floor, and the posterior wall. So the roof is made by the muscles. Look in the diagram, the two muscles are passing through the roof, the transversus abdominis muscle and the internal oblique muscle. So the roof is made by these two muscles. Then is the interior wall. Interior wall is formed by the aponeurosis of the external oblique muscles and a little bit of the internal oblique muscle. Then is the floor. Floor is formed by the ligament. The ligaments, I haven't shown this in this diagram. It's the base of the inguinal canal is made by two ligaments, is the lacunar ligament and the famous inguinal ligament. Then is the posterior wall. The posterior wall is formed by the transverse salus fascia. Look, here is the posterior wall. Now the contents of the canal. The contents are the spermatic cord and the ilioinguinal nerve. So in my next video, we will talk about spermatic cord in detail. So that's it for today. Please stay tuned for my next video and like this video and subscribe to my channel.